The topic for today is mobile lash service. There are many people out there that would prefer to have their service provider come to their homes rather than traveling to the different service providers. There are some things to consider when setting up your business as a mobile service, whether you are going to do like a van where you provide the service out of a van, kind of, I hate to use this comparison, but kind of like people that do mobile dog grooming, you have your van, or whether or not you are just going to travel with a massage table. There's some things that you need to be prepared for as far as setting up your workspace and being fully mobile. There are other things to consider in case you have an accident and your vehicle is out of commission. You could take the questions that I'm posing out there to you and go to your insurance agent to find out about your policy. Also, go to an attorney, anyone that would have some knowledge in the different areas so that they can counsel you. And that way you can make a decision that is best for you based on your needs. Follow me to Lash Intensive, where I'm going to play for you just a little part of the mobile service aspect of a lash business or any kind of a business that is going to be a mobile service. And if you know anybody that is planning to do a mobile service, please send this video to them. It may benefit them as well.
Is your business mobile service based? Verify the mobile service rules in your state with professional license and any other city or state government rules regulating mobile business licensing. This doesn't mean these are the regulations for your location or your business type. This is simply to give you some basic information from my area and my profession to provide you additional information that may inspire questions relating to your situation. So I copied and pasted this from Arizona's cosmetology rules and regulations. If mobile services are provided as an extension of a licensed salon, the mobile service shall advertise using the licensed name of the salon. The licensed salon owner and manager shall ensure the mobile services comply with the Cosmetology Board statute and rules. A salon providing mobile cosmetology, hairstyling, nail technology, or aesthetic services shall ensure licenses are posted as required. A salon shall make client appointments through the licensed salon using an appointment book that lists the appointments and locations where services are performed. Mobile services are subject to inspection by state board at any time. That's why they want access to your appointments and the locations. If a retrofitted mobile vehicle is used to provide mobile services, the salon owner and manager shall ensure that the vehicle has same equipment as specified with safety and infection control requirements specified. If mobile services are provided in a location other than a retrofitted mobile vehicle, the salon owner and manager shall ensure that equipment is disinfected before use and stored as specified. If a retrofitted motor vehicle is used exclusively as a mobile facility that is dispatched from a business address, the owner and manager of the mobile facility shall comply with all salon requirements, comply with all infection control and equipment requirements, maintain a complete and current list of appointment locations at the business address, and display the list in a location listed on the salon application that is available to an inspector at all times when the retrofitted motor vehicle is open for business, and comply with other statutes and rules of the board. Mobile services. If you are traveling to clients, vehicle insurance coverage is important for your business. Reasons to consider including car rental coverage. How will you drive to your appointments if your vehicle is wrecked? If you don't have access to another vehicle, how will you get to your appointments? How will you pay for the rental car? If your vehicle is totaled, does insurance cover rental car expenses until the insurance company settles? Coverage questions. What size of vehicle will you need to carry your supplies, including your massage table or any other thing? A massage table, if you're doing lashes or massages or facials, or what about if you perform another service? Can you get by with a compact or will you need an SUV? What is the daily rental fee for this vehicle you will need? What is the rental car coverage limits? The daily rental rate, is it number of days, maximum dollar amount? If your vehicle remains in the body shop exceeding the rental caps, what are the options? Will the insurance company provide insurance on the rental vehicle, or will you need to purchase insurance? If the rental car is wrecked, will your insurance cover the rental company charges for the loss of income while their vehicle is in the body shop? Preferred rates with car carrier rental companies. Does your professional liability insurance or credit card company offer discounts with rental car companies? Past experience. I was rear-ended sitting in my car in rush hour traffic on the way to work. My insurance covered the rental car for 30 days. However, the repair took 45 days to complete. There was no additional rental car coverage. Options: I paid out of pocket for a rental car by the week, and sometimes I carpooled to work. A friend who had an accident experience in her mobile service vehicle, and I had already written the section, and I tried talking to her about it, but she's just so busy with her business. I don't think she can wrap her head around some of the things that I had said to her. It was a couple of years ago, not earlier this year. A couple of years ago, my friend wrecked the only vehicle she owned for her mobile business. The accident was her fault. She had no rental car coverage on her insurance, and the insurance adjuster did not total the vehicle, so the vehicle was in the shop. The vehicle was in the body shop for 60 days. She still had a loan payment to pay. Her husband financed another vehicle for her business. Now she has 2 vehicles financed and 2 vehicles to insure. Note: if you get a rental car, usually rental companies will require a credit card to be on file. Will you have a Visa debit card or credit card to provide? If no, how will you get the rental car? It's important to get business credit card or business checking account debit credit card, so that you have that available to provide to the car rental company.
I just wanted to do a quick insert here. Today is Monday, November 27th of 2023. Just a week ago, I was in Newport Beach. A lady hit me from behind. This lady who drove a 2024 BMW X6 only had the minimum coverage for the state of California, and the minimum coverage was a $15,000 policy. If I didn't have underinsured or uninsured insurance on my vehicle, the repairs on my BMW, if they exceed the $15,000 cap, then that would probably be out of my pocket. Fortunately for me, I've paid extra money for the additional coverage and didn't even realize how much I was going to need it until now. Hope this helps you. All right, back to the video.
Short-term disability. This is not legal advice. I am not licensed in insurance. In the event you are injured, short-term disability insurance may be a lifesaver for you. Coverage questions. If you do purchase short-term disability, ask what information you will need to provide to verify your income. What are the prerequisites for the insurance company to pay out income? How many days or weeks will it take for the first payment? How does the insurance send payments? Is there a limit to the income loss they will reimburse? Do they cover self-employed people? How would you provide proof of income? Okay, same friend's experience. Wrote this page in 2018. As I'm preparing to record this section, well, it was the summer of 2022 the first time I recorded it, but I went through and recorded all the videos again. So the person who wrecked their vehicle without car rental experience had another accident. 2021, her husband died. The spring of 2022, when she returned back to her business after not working for several months from the grieving process of losing her husband and moving, when she got back to work, she was walking to her client's home. She tripped and fell on unmarked step in the dark. She fractured her femur and shattered the part of the femur bone located at the knee. Somehow, she wobbled into her car and drove home, then called 911. She was in the hospital for a month. After 8 months, she is still unable to walk on her own. Her business remains closed and she cannot perform the tasks independently that are necessary to conduct business. By the way, she still has a loan and insurance payments on both vehicles. Note: short-term disability does not retain your clients. Do not take risks with your family by becoming a roller derby queen, because you may sustain injuries impairing your work. Or in this case, don't walk on dark paths without having a light in front of you to illuminate your path. And yeah, that poor friend, boy, she just had a string of bad luck. I feel really bad for her. I really hope she can get back on track again.
If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, please forward this video to them. I'm on a journey to help as many people as I can, not only in the lash business, but also just being a solopreneur in general. See you in the next video.